नमस्ते बच्चों, कैसे हो आप लोग? ऑल फाइन? हैप्पी इन हाउस? गुड. टुडे वी विल स्टार्ट आवर न्यू लेसन, lesson 13. Okay, open the book, lesson 13, page number 75. I told you when I am taking the class, always open your book and see where I am teaching. Okay, so you will see the spellings and all those things. Okay, so shall we start the class? Good. Your lesson name, तारे. त पे आ की मात्रा ता, र पे की मात्रा रे. तारे क्यों? क य पे ओ एंड डॉट. क्यों? हाफ क और यो. क्यों? टी म ते, टिमटिमाते हैं. तारे क्यों टिमटिमाते हैं? टिमटिमाते मीन्स twinkling. Okay, stars are twinkling na, so timtimana. Tare means star. Why stars are twinkling? Today we will know in this lesson. Okay, बच्चों, तुमने रात को आसमान पर हजारों तारे टिमटिमाते हुए देखे हैं. So children, in the sky night time maybe you have seen thousands of stars are twinkling. बचपन में भी गाया करते होंगे, आसमान में देखो तारे कैसे सुंदर लगते सारे. So maybe in your childhood you are singing the song also. आसमान में देखो तारे, look at in the sky how beautiful is the stars. Or in English we are singing the poem na, twinkle twinkle little star. That same thing in Hindi they are saying. लेकिन कभी सोचा है कि ये कैसे चमकते हैं? बट एनी टाइम डिड यू नोटिस? डू यू नो व्हाई दे आर ट्विंकलिंग? आओ कम आज इन तारों के राज को जान लें. टुडे वी विल नो द सीक्रेट्स अबाउट द स्टार्स. ग्रहों और तारों में अंतर होता है. ओके, स्टार्स and your solar systems. Okay, in our solar system lot of is there like your Venus, Earth, Moon, Mars, this all na, this thing and stars, they are different things. Okay, they both are stars and our solar system, what is there? They are totally different. ग्रह तारों से बहुत छोटे होते हैं. सो प्लैनेट्स आर वेरी स्मॉल देन स्टार्स. यू नो, स्टार्स आर वेरी बिगर देन सन. सो व्हाट दे आर सेइंग, आवर प्लैनेट्स आर वेरी स्मॉल कंपेयर टू स्टार्स. ये आसमान में बड़े नजर आते हैं क्योंकि धरती से उनकी दूरी कम होती है. बट this planets looks bigger, like our moon looks bigger because in sky their position and earth distance is very less. So our planet and earth distance is very less, so they are looking big, but in real planets are very small compared to stars. तारे जगमगाते टिमटिमाते चमकते हैं पर ग्रह नहीं. स्टार्स आर ट्विंकलिंग शाइनिंग बट प्लैनेट्स दे डोंट हैव देयर ओन लाइट्स. चंद्रमा और ग्रह सूर्य के प्रकाश से चमकते हैं. सो एज यू ऑल नो, मे बी इन साइंस टीचर हैज टॉट यू, मून एंड प्लैनेट्स दे आर शाइनिंग ड्यू टू सनलाइट. ओके, if there is no sunlight they don't have their own lights. Okay, तारे सूर्य की तरह गरम जलते हुए गैस के गोले हैं. एंड स्टार्स आर लाइक अ सन. ओके, अ वेरी हॉट गैस बॉल. ओके, स्टार्स आल्सो इज लाइक अ सन जो अपने प्रकाश से चमकते हैं. हु इज शाइनिंग देयर own light, like sun is having their own light, stars also is having their own light. तारों के टिमटिमाने का कारण है why stars are twinkling. तारों तथा धरती के बीच वायु में विद्यमान वस्तुएं. So why they are shining from here? Because that stars and earth between lot of air is there, and in that air lot of things are there. Okay, lot of small particles are there. Due to that वायु तारों से आने वाले प्रकाश को मोड़ देती है, and from stars what light is coming, on earth what air is available, just they will turn it back. So जिससे तारे टिमटिमाते हुए दिखते हैं. विद दैट आर स्टार्स आर ट्विंकलिंग. एनी टाइम just you put one light in dark place and see in that light lot of small particles you can see, and just they are like a twinkling, that small parts will twinkle due to air. Same thing is happening here. Next we will go for word meaning. बचपन. बचपन means childhood. बचपन means childhood. चमकना, to shine. चमकना means to shine. SHINE. टिमटिमाना. टिमटिमाना means twinkling. टिमटिमाना means twinkling. TWINKLING. Twinkling means टिमटिमाना. तारे. तारे means stars. तारे means stars. ग्रह. ग्रह means planet. 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 Planet means ग्रह. विद्यमान. विद्यमान means present. विद्यमान means present. PRESENT. present means विद्यमान. Next we will go for question answer. तारे सूर्य के समान जलते हुए गैस के गोले हैं. सो तारे सूर्य के समान हैं. कैसे? स्टार्स आर लाइक अ सन. हाउ? आंसर विल बी तारे सूर्य के समान जलते हुए गैस के गोले हैं. सो स्टार्स आर लाइक अ सन, अ हॉट एयर balloon. Okay, a hot air. Okay, like a full fire. Okay, how sun is there na, it's a very hot gas is there inside. Same thing stars also is having. ग्रह किसके प्रकाश से चमकते हैं? So planets, how they shine? How planets shine? ग्रह सूर्य के प्रकाश से चमकते हैं. So planets are shining with sunlight. ग्रह तारों से छोटे होने पर भी बड़े दिखाई देते हैं. क्यों? When planets are smaller than stars, after that also why they looks big? ग्रहों से धरती की दूरी कम होती है, इसी से बड़े दिखाई देते हैं. Planets are very close to Earth, so it looks big. तारे टिमटिमाते हुए क्यों प्रतीत होते हैं? Why stars are twinkling? Why we feel stars are twinkling? वायु तारों से आने वाले प्रकाश को मोड़ देती है, उसी से तारे टिमटिमाते हैं. So that light which comes from stars, on earth what air is there, that air will turn the light backside. Due to that stars will twinkles. Next, exercise number 2. Tick the correct answer. तारे ग्रह से बड़े होते हैं. तारे ग्रह से बड़े होते हैं. Stars are bigger than planet. This is wrong or right? Correct. Stars are bigger than planets. So you have to put correct. तारे जगमगाते हैं. Stars are twinkling. Yeah, correct. Stars are twinkling. So you have to put correct. ग्रह अपने प्रकाश से जगमगाते हैं. Planets are shining with their own light. No, this is a wrong. Planets are shining through sunlights. They don't have own light. So this is wrong. तारे सूर्य की तरह गर्म जलते हुए गैस के गोले हैं. Stars are like a sun, hot air. Okay, hot air, a big circle is there, na, like a balloon. Okay, so they are also like a sun. Correct. You have to put correct. वायु तारों से आने वाले प्रकाश को मोड़ देती है. So air will turn the light which is coming from stars. Correct. It's doing same. Page number 78 we will go. Exercise number 3. Here many time you have done disjoint the letter. You know how to do. Okay. Like G in that slash is half R and H. Grah. So what you have to do? G plus R plus H. Grah. Just you have to disjoint the letter. Chandrama. So Ch plus Ang ki matra half the plus R plus M plus A. Means all letter and matras what you have to do? You have to disjoint. Surya. Sa plus U ki matra plus half R plus Y. Garm. G plus half R and M. Garm. Prakash. P plus half R plus K plus A ki matra and Sh. Prakash. So same thing you copy in your classwork. Now we will go for reading. Okay. First we will go for circle the correct antonym of the words given below. Here some word is there, and for this word what will be correct antonym, opposites, that we have to circle. Okay. Here all meaning is opposite only, like a synonym, but for this letter what will be correct opposite, that we have to circle. This all meaning is same thing. Okay. For Sundar what opposite will be there? Meaning is same, like a synonym, but for Sundar what will be the correct opposite word, that we have to circle. Sundar. Sundar means beautiful, pretty. Okay. Sundar any can thing be. Beautiful anything. It can be flower, it can be book, it can be person, or it can be house. So Sundar, asundar. Asundar. Okay. Bhadda. Bhadda means something is looking dirty. But Surat means if you are saying beauty about the face, then. But here Sundar is there. It is not defined for what thing they are saying beautiful. Means opposite will be asundar. Sundar, asundar. Dharti. Dharti means earth. Akash. Dharti, Akash. This too is Akash synonym. Akash, Nabh, Gagan. These all are the synonym of Akash. But Dharti opposite is Akash. Garm. Garm means hot. Garm means hot. So hot opposite what will be? Thanda. Garam, Thanda. Okay. This two, Sard. Sard can be climate. And Sheet. Sheet is a winter season. So no, this is not a season and this is not a winter. Okay. Thanda, hot, cold. Okay. So Garam, Thanda. Prakash. Prakash means light. Prakash means light. Andhakar. Andhakar means very dark. So Prakash, Andhakar. You have to circle same thing in your book. Next we will go for synonym. Tare. Tare means star. Tare means star. Synonym will be Sitare. Tarika. Okay. Sitare and Tarika. So you can keep it in mind. Tare, Sitare. Okay. Or Tare, Tarika. Asman. Akash, Gagan. Okay. Asman means sky. Akash, Gagan. These two are synonym. Dharti. Dharti means earth. Prithvi, Dhara, Bhumi. All are the synonym of earth. Chandrama. Chandrama means moon. Shashi and Chand. This two is the synonym. Surya. Surya means sun. S-U-N. Suraj, Dinkar. Both are the synonym. Vayu. Vayu means air. Vayu means air. Samir, Pavan. Both are the synonyms. Next we will go for grammar part. Okay. Visheshan. What is Visheshan? Visheshan in English we will say adjective. Visheshan means adjective. जो शब्द संज्ञा और सर्वनाम की विशेषता बताए विशेषण कहलाता है, जैसे सुंदर, बुद्धिमान, होशियार, कुछ, थोड़ा, विशाल आदि. ओके. Words that describe a noun or pronoun are called adjective. Example: beautiful, intelligent, tall, etc. etc. Okay. Means noun and pronoun, something special which word will say, that will be adjective. Like beauty, sundar. So who is beautiful? Maybe it can be flower. Flower is a noun. Maybe it can a person, pronoun, or maybe someone name or he, she, it. Okay. Intelligent. Who can be intelligent? A person. Tall. Maybe it is a tree or maybe it is a person. So they are saying something special about a noun and pronoun, that is called adjective. Here we will see some adjective. Okay. तारे मंद मंद टिमटिमाते हैं. So how stars are twinkling? मंद मंद. Here मंद मंद is adjective, means slowly slowly. तारे सूर्य के तेज प्रकाश से चमकते हैं. So stars, how they are shining here? They are saying tej prakash, means tej is a adjective, very fast. A tej means very bright. तारे गर्म जलते हुए गैस के गोले हैं. So गैस के गोले means how it is गैस के गोले? गर्म. गर्म means hot. This is adjective. वे फूल अच्छे लगते हैं. How is that flower? Means some particular flower is very good. अच्छे means good. मुझे चमकता तारा पसंद है. I like shining star. So which type of star she likes? Shining. So here चमकता is the adjective. So now you understand? Next we will go for question answer. तारे कहाँ होते हैं? Where is the stars? Where you can see the stars? तारे आसमान में होते हैं. Stars are in the sky. So आसमान में. तारे और ग्रह में क्या अंतर होता है? What is difference between a planet and stars? तारे ग्रहों से बहुत बड़े होते हैं. Means stars are bigger than planets. तारों के पास स्वयं की रोशनी होती है, जबकि ग्रह सूर्य की रोशनी से चमकते हैं. Stars are having their own light. जबकि ग्रह सूर्य की रोशनी से चमकते हैं. And planets are shining with sunlight. चंद्रमा और ग्रह किसकी रोशनी से चमकते हैं? So moon and planets, how they shine. चंद्रमा और ग्रह सूर्य की रोशनी से चमकते हैं. So moon and planets are shining with sunlight. तारे कैसे चमकते हैं? How stars are shining. तारों से आने वाली रोशनी को वायु वापस मोड़ देती है, इससे तारे चमकते हैं. So which light is coming from the stars? On earth, what air is there? That is turning back. Okay, turning back to that light. Due to this, stars are shining. So this is your 4 question and answer. Okay children, 4 your question and answer is there. Sorry, here I write 5. This is your answer. Okay, this is your answer. So 4 question answer you have to write in your classwork. And today your assignment is there. Read and write lesson 13, new words, question answer, and complete page number 77 and 78 in the book. So word meaning and this question answer you have to write in your classwork, neat and clean. Other thing you have to complete in your book, neat and clean. Okay children, thank you. Have a good day.